I know. I understand. I mean, I know you want to be able to convince an audience, huh? It's just Belinda here again. And with over 7 years of experience selling my face to several brands, I'll be sharing very unfiltered things I learned over the years that has helped me and can help any beginner. I mean, take their game from a 0 to 100 in no time. I wish I knew these things earlier enough. What are you waiting for? If you're new to my channel, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon so you're notified whenever I post new videos. So, first thing I'd like you to know is that you must learn your unique selling point. And this is something you discover over time. Why I'm saying this is because I believe in being you over the camera as the perfect way to appear confident and convincing on screen. Now, let me share this very funny thing I used to do back then. I'm actually shy right now, but let me just do this. Now, I used to watch a lot of whites on Fiverr when I started, and I was trying to learn how they are so confident on screen. So I literally felt it was all about having an accent, and I started trying out the British accents. These days, however, when I watch those videos, I'm like, yuck, did I do this? Because I look so stupid in there. So I advise you yourself with a little touch of steeze on camera. Secondly, this point is supposed to come first because it's so important. Now, there's something about looking good or looking the parts you are about to play on camera. It takes your confidence from 0 to 100 and automatically boosts your morale to even shoot that video. Now, I have lots of behind the scenes because I'm always checking out my looks on camera and the mirror before the final shoot. I mean, it just has a way of making you feel really good. Like, girl, you're so good, and everyone will be so glued to the screen once you pop up. Now, the third is crucial. Never shoot unplanned or unscripted videos as commercials if you're a newbie. You'll literally look confused and you will have lots of ums and ahs. Now that's so unprofessional. When I first discovered a phone teleprompter, I knew I found my gem. Not only would you look confident while talking, you save lots of time because you're not cramming scripts or thinking of the next thing to say. I've attached links to how you can use teleprompters on your phone in the description of this video. Now, this is also scripted. Randomly, and to bring this to an end, don't be too fast, don't be too slow. Maintain eye contact with the camera, chest up, head high, all smiles, and boom, the screen is all yours. I hope this helps you. Don't forget to like this video, drop your awesome comments down there, and see you in my next video.